Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to start with the second sum of on death of a partner. I'll read out the sum for you. See, Rahul, Rohit and Ramesh are in the firm in the business sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 was as follows. Now balance sheet is given to you: liabilities amount, assets amount. I'll read out the liability side. Capital accounts: Rahul 2,20,000, Rohit 2,10,000, Ramesh 2,40,000. Creditors 80,000, bills payable 7,000, general reserve 96,000. Asset side: debtors 1 lakh, inner column less RDD 10,000, outer column 90,000. Plant and machinery 85,000, investment 3,50,000, motor lorry 1 lakh, building 80,000, bank 1,48,000. Total of your balance sheet is 8,53,000. On 1st October 2017, Ramesh died and the partnership deed provides as follows. RDD was maintained at 5% on debtors. Now there will be reduction in the amount of RDD, so it will be profit on revaluation. Then plant and machinery and investments are valued at 80,000 and 4,10,000. Now plant and machinery, see the value 85,000. There is depreciation of 5,000. And investment 3,50,000 balance sheet value, and now it is to be valued at 4,10,000. That is appreciation of by rupees 60,000. Of the creditors, an item of 6,000 was no longer a liability and hence was properly adjusted. Now liability also is no longer, that means it is a appreciation for us. Now profits for 2017-18 are estimated at 1,20,000 and Ramesh share in it up to the date of his death was given to him. Then number 5, goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 times the average profits of last 5 years, which were as follows: 12-13 rupees 1,80,000, 13-14 rupees 2 lakh, 14-15 rupees 2,50,000, 15-16 rupees 1,50,000, 16-17 rupees 1,20,000. Ramesh share in it was to be given to him. Now salary rupees 5,000 per annum was payable to him. Interest on capital at 5% per annum, 5% was payable, and on drawings rupees 2,000 were charged. Drawings made by Ramesh up to September 2017 were 5,000 per month. Prepare Ramesh capital account showing the amounts payable to his executor. Give working of profits and goodwill. Okay, so you have to prepare profit and loss adjustment account and the partners Ramesh capital account. Okay, first we are going to see the working. Now one by one we will be preparing. First of all, share of profits to Ramesh. What is the value of last year's profit? 1,20,000. On that basis we are going to calculate the Ramesh profit, share of profit. So 1,20,000 into Ramesh share is how much? 1/6. Okay, 3:2:1 is their profit sharing ratio and Ramesh is 1 ratio, so 1/6 into how much month he was alive for to share the profits? Only 6 months. Okay, that is April to September, 30th September. So it amounts to rupees 10,000. So his share. So this is profit and loss suspense account, 10,000. Now second is valuation of goodwill, and goodwill is to be valued at the average profits. Okay, so average profit upon total number of years. For 5 years, it comes to 9 lakhs divided by 5 year. So average profit will come to rupees 1,80,000. Now goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. How much is the average profit? 1,80,000. And it is said in the question that goodwill will average profit will be valued 2 times for the goodwill. So by 2 years purchase, that will come to 3,60,000. Now Ramesh share of goodwill, 3,60,000 into 1/6, his share. So that will come to rupees 60,000. So his share in the goodwill, okay, will be 60,000. Next, he was drawing a salary of rupees 5,000 per month, and he was alive for 6 months, that is April to September. So his salary amounted to rupees 30,000. Now interest on capital at the rate of 5%. How much was the capital employed by Ramesh? 2,40,000 into 5/100, and for 6 months only we will be giving him the interest, because he was alive for only 6 in this year, only for first 6 months. So for 6 months, so it will come to 6,000. Interest on capital will come to 6,000. Now lump sum interest on drawings is charged at rupees 2,000. And drawings, he was also making drawings in the business 5,000 per month, and he was alive for 6 months, so it also comes to 30,000. Here I have shown you the complete working. Now we are going to prepare profit and loss adjustment account and the Ramesh capital account. Now I'll be showing you, now I have shown you the working. Now I'll be showing you profit and loss adjustment account. Now we are going to prepare only the death of partner who has died. Now Ramesh capital account, okay, and the new balance sheet as on 30th September 2019. Now see, profit and loss adjustment account. Plant and machinery is to be depreciated. It was said in the adjustment. So we have taken out the amount rupees 5,000. Now on the credit side, see, by RDD, first the provision was rupees 10,000, but now we are going to reduce it by 5,000. Why? Because 5,000 only we are going to keep. Okay, so 10,000 minus 5,000, we are going to keep only 5,000. There is an appreciation in the value of investment. Okay, investment was valued at 3,50,000, but now there is appreciation of rupees 60,000. Now creditors, see, creditors were 80,000. Okay, creditors were 80,000, but out of that 6,000 are no longer, okay, they are not asking to make the payments, or okay, so that is again a profit for the firm. That is why we are writing it on the credit side. So 6,000. Now if you just total up this, the credit side comes to 71,000 minus 5,000. Only depreciation on plant and machinery is there. Others only appreciation and reduction in the value of liability and reduction in the value of RDD is there. So that 71,000 minus 5,000, it will come to 66,000. Okay, now 66,000 is the profit which will be divided among the 3 partners in the in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. Okay, so Ramesh is going to get how much? 11,000. Here we have completed profit and loss adjustment account. Now we'll be moving on to the deceased partner or the partner who has died, Ramesh capital account. Now see, by balance brought down, what was his capital? 2,40,000. Now general reserve, only his share is taken out of the general reserve and rest general reserve are kept as it is. See here the general reserve. Okay, see the general reserve is rupees 96,000 less paid to Ramesh executor 16,000 and the general reserve is kept 80,000 in the new balance sheet. Only his share is paid. So here we have written 16,000. Now we have taken out the current year's profit. Okay, so we are going to write by profit and loss suspense account that has totaled up to 10,000. Okay, that has totaled up to 10,000. Then by goodwill, we had to value, goodwill was valued. So we had to value goodwill and Ramesh share comes to rupees 60,000. So his share is rupees 60,000. Then he is paid a salary of rupees 5,000 per month. Into he was alive for 6 months, April to September. So into 6 months. Okay, 5 6 are 30,000. Interest on capital at the rate of 5%. Interest on capital, okay, for the 5%. So for 6 months only. Then revaluation profit. Here, this revaluation profit, we are going to write it over here. Then he has done the drawings also during the year, amounted to rupees 30,000. Drawings are amounted to rupees 30,000. Then the firm is going to charge interest on drawings, rupees 2,000. Okay. And see now, this side total comes to 3,73,000 minus 5,000. It will come to, 32,000. So it will come to 3,41,000. This is Ramesh executor's account, 3,41,000. See, 3,73,000 minus 32,000. The remaining amount is 3,41,000. That is Ramesh executor's account.